Warning: microwave popcorn can cause popcorn lung. Hazard guidance for artificial food flavorings used in microwave popcorn. Popcorn lung. The condition is a form of obstructive lung disease that makes it difficult for air to flow out of the lungs and is irreversible, according to WebMD. There is a connection between this disease and diacetyl. What is diacetyl? Diacetyl is a natural byproduct of fermentation and is also synthesized by chemical manufacturers. Diacetyl gives butter and certain food flavorings a distinctive buttery flavor and aroma. Food flavorings containing diacetyl are used in microwave popcorn and other snack foods, pet foods, candies, baked goods, and other food products. If exposed to diacetyl, you can develop serious respiratory illness with persistent dry cough, wheezing, shortness of breath upon exertion, and fixed airway obstruction. You could develop asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, and/or even pneumonia. It is often called popcorn lung, caused by inhaling the smell of artificial butter on microwave popcorn. The National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health has reported that employees at microwave popcorn plants and a flavorings manufacturing facility experience eye, nasal, and/or upper respiratory irritation and/or burns. In some cases, skin and eye burns have required medical treatment. For more information about specific NIOSH health hazard evaluation, HHE, regarding these chemicals, see the link below. Air-popped popcorn, high in dietary fiber, low in calories and fat, free of sugar and sodium, avoids using oils that can add calories and fat, makes a great snack, helps in digestion. Popcorn for health. The perfect snack food, has more antioxidants than a day's worth of fruits or vegetables. Popcorn is a whole grain. More whole grains means more health benefits. It's a healthy option over foods like potato chips and cookies. Free popcorn popper. You can save money and your health by using a plain brown paper bag to pop your popcorn. Plain, natural popcorn kernels cost far less than packaged microwave popcorn. Take a brown paper bag and add a half a cup of bulk, natural popcorn kernels. Fold over the top of the bag. Don't staple because it may create sparks in the microwave. Place brown bag in the microwave. Cook on high setting for 3 minutes and you're done. Nutrition facts. Serving size 1 cup. Compare the bulk column to the prepackaged column. Save your lungs and your belly. Get poppin' today. See all of our popcorn videos on our YouTube channel. Get your free protein meal replacement recipe and 10-page weight loss report by subscribing to our blog. Click on the link below, joanbars.com, or write us at saturdaydiet@gmail.com. Get your copy of our ebook weight loss course. You will get course 1.0 and 2.0 plus 3 bonus ebooks for only $27 while supplies last. Click the link below to go to our website, saturdaydiet.com. Bye-bye.